how to fix app not installed problem. So if you want to fix app not installed problem, then what you need to do is you need to open up your Play Store at first. After opening your Play Store, go with your profile, which will be in the top right. And from the profile, you need to just simply scroll down a bit and go with settings. Under settings, you need to go with the the about section. Under the about, you have the Play Store version. You need to just simply go with update Play Store right here and then update your Play Store. In my case, my Google Play Store is up to date, but if you've not updated, you need to go and update your Play Store. After updating your Play Store, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just simply go back and then open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and then go with the apps option right here. Under apps, go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to search for Chrome. After searching for Chrome, just tap on it and then go with clear data, which will be on the bottom, and tap on clear cache and tap on OK. After clearing your permissions or after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. You need to go with app permissions and then you need to allow all of the permissions that are right here. Once done, you can go and restart your device and make sure that you also have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have the internet connection, app might not be installed. So make sure to check that, and then you can just simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.